Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all the keto enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the LEVLO Funny Diet Keto Life Oven Mitt with hot pads. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a loved one who follows a ketogenic diet or simply loves to cook with a touch of humor, this might just be the ideal choice. Let's dive into what makes this oven mitt stand out. Made from high-quality cotton and vinyl, it not only offers excellent insulation and comfort but also ensures safety in handling hot pots and pans. With dimensions of 8.66 inches in length and 6.69 inches in width, it's designed to handle kitchen tasks ranging from cooking and baking to grilling and more. What really sets this mitt apart is its bold and humorous design. The "Foo K Carbs Keto Life" graphic is professionally printed, ensuring it won't fade over time. It's a fun way to add personality to any kitchen and makes for a great conversation starter. Beyond its looks, this mitt is practical too. It features a lanyard designed for easy hanging and storage, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it most. When you receive this mitt, it comes nicely presented in a frosting bag, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. It's ready to be gifted without any extra wrapping needed. So, if you're searching for a thoughtful and practical gift for someone who embraces the keto lifestyle or just loves unique kitchen accessories, the LEVLO Funny Diet Keto Life Oven Mitt with hot pads is definitely worth considering. It combines quality, humor, and functionality in one package. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. See you next time.